You were just invited to make a book in Book Creator. Now what? So what you'll do is come over to your class link and you'll select the Book Creator app. If you've been invited to a library, which most of you will have been invited by a teacher, but you are able to go in and make a book on your own if you choose to, in the library, you can just click New Book. If you were brought to this page, you can create a library and then within there make a book. But let's just work from the library that you've been asked to join. You can hit join and put in a code or follow the link in Google Classroom. And from here, you can just make a new book. So we click New Book. We've got tons of options, and a lot of this is play and learn how to use it. We've got some blank book templates and we also have some templates, and you can come in and pick what you want and play around with it. I'm just going to select a portrait of a regular book, and then I'm going to start making content. I have the ability to hit the plus button here. We can add images, take pictures and videos from a camera, use our pen, text, record audio. Within media, we can go back to those templates and pull pages if we want to, add shapes, icons, embed all sorts of different things. And if our teachers have apps for us, we can use them there. I'm just going to come into tools and I'm going to search for a cat. And I'm going to hit search, and here we go. I've got lots of images and I've got to think what's going to look good on the page I have. So I'm going to hit this image, which I think will work very nicely. Super cute. And then I can come in and pick text and I can start adding content to it. Now I've got options of all sorts of stuff, and I encourage you to click on these buttons and find out what it is that they do. And now I can move that title there. If I want to add a new page to my book, I just hit next page. And here I'm given the opportunity to make the inside part of my book. I can hit that plus button and I can add text and images. I can have audio. All of these different things can be translated. I can click on here and click on my word and say I want to translate that. And I've got lots of different languages that I can translate to. I can record directly in. I can have a speech to text, and it'll let me talk and record what I want to put onto my book. And I can make all the pages I want. Anytime I want to add a whole new page, I just come over to this plus button. Once you've got your book set, you can actually click pages and see the whole layout if you choose to. And then we can come back to our library, and this is where we can do some really cool things. We can collaborate with friends, we can download the book, and we can even print it. I'd love to see you get in here, play with the program, find out what works, and create something wonderful.